What's going on, my auto tech? So we have a 2009 Honda Civic here with this annoying little problem. We have an intermittent no crank no start during cold temperatures. When we put the key in the ignition switch, we have to hold it in the on position for at least 2 to 3 seconds for the engine to crank over. After getting good test results from the battery, I pulled the 4-pin starter relay. I'm going to connect it here to the relay tester. Connect the relay tester negative clamp to the negative side of the battery, positive clamp to the positive side of the battery, and then go ahead and press the test button. You should have 10 clicks with 10 green flashes stating that the relay is good, and more than likely you have a problem somewhere else in the ignition system. If you get a red solid light and no more clicks from the relay, more than likely the relay is at fault.